everyone, and welcome back to my channel after a really long gap. So I'm still posting all the Mumbai vlog videos because those are so long. It is taking a lot of time to edit them and then making it a decent video to upload. So I have posted day 1 and day 2. So day 3 and 4 are still under work, but I decided to make a different video for once. So it's August now, and in India it's flooding with rains. And when I went to Mumbai, I saw that it was like very, what should I say? It was raining all the time, like 24/7. Like the speed or the range of rain was varying, but more or less it was raining all the time. So in Calcutta it does not rain all the time like in Mumbai it does, but all of a sudden today something or the other happened and it's raining cats and dogs. As you can see, we have put all the clothes inside in order for them to dry, because if you keep them outside in the veranda it will get wet again. So I wanted to give you a review of not just give you a review, I wanted to actually show you my new MP4 player which I have bought online, and I have been wanting to buy this since a few weeks, and then I finally did it. So this is the box that has come. Not a very fancy box, just a plastic box with set of instructions and information. Let's open the box. So this is the MP3 MP4 player, and it's a Raptas player. It is very similar to the GG Martinson and Slow Memory MP3 player, but it does not come along with a memory card, so it is a little less costly than the Raptas or the GG Martinson one, but you can put a memory card and it works just fine. This is a pair of headphones that I got, but these are really short. I'll show you the lens. It's very short, and even the quality is not up to the mark, so I decided to get a pair of these green headphones. These are way better in quality. This is the mini USB H-type USB cord that is one of the older ones that they use, and this one didn't actually come up with this. I have just put it inside the box. It's the card reader which I use to transfer files. So this is the card, with the TF card reader port where you have to insert the card. So I have used a SanDisk 4GB card preloaded with songs and videos, and let me show you the features. So this is the main switch on key, and this is the home screen, and the buttons don't work very well. I have to press them very hard. This is the music mode. When you long press the menu button, it goes to the home screen. This is music, movie or video, record for recording voice, so you have play for playing the recorded voice clip, radio, you have an FM radio here, picture in order to view pictures, and text for any text documents or ebooks, and setting mode which allows you to set the system time, LCD date, language, power off, firmware, version, keytone, and it works more or less like a Java phone. It does not have a built-in speaker, so you have to use a pair of headphones, or I have this U1 speaker. You can also use this one, which I will show you in a bit. But as for now, let me show you the video and photo mode. The buttons are really disturbing. Okay. So there is a lyric video of the song Lullaby by Michael Astley and Rainfall, and you can't listen to the music because I haven't attached the speaker yet. But you get the gist of how the video player works. An interesting fact about it doesn't, even if it is called an MP4 player, it does not play MP4 files, it only plays AMV videos, and in order to convert your videos you need to AMV format, you need a converter called AVS converter. So this is the picture. Let me show you how the picture thing works. So yes, this is a picture of me. These are some pictures from the Mumbai trip. For viewing pictures, it's pretty decent. Okay, now I will show you the music quality. I have the music ready, and let me increase the volume to the maximum level, which is 80 decibels, and I will play the song now. Skip tracks, it's pretty simple, this is the play and pause button, this is the skip tracks, next track. So interestingly, this has a shuffle option, and most MP3 or MP4 players do not have a shuffle option. This is how you access the folders. Camera is out of focus. So these are different folders in which I have stored lots of songs. But I can't play due to copyright issues, but pretty much easy to use. A little complicated, yes, but once you get the gist, it's a nice device. Okay, now let me show the radio mode. Increasing the volume.
বল দখল আগের তুলনায় বেশি এখনো পর্যন্ত
Change channels, you need to press the middle button.
হ্যাকার আপনাকে সহজেই ওয়েবক্যাম বা ল্যাপটপ ক্যামেরা দিয়ে দেখতে পারে।
পরিষেবা পান সহজের সাথে সাথে।
The more in news stories, an initiative by Ford SUVs.
অতিক্রম করতে হতো গোল কিক।
So you can record from the radio also, and then you can listen to it later on.
10 মিনিট খেলা
So
অতিক্রান্ত।
yeah, that's pretty much how this thing works. And some of the models come with games installed, but my one does not have any games. This costed only 800 rupees, which is in terms of US dollars, in US currency, it's roughly a little more than $13. So it's very like affordable, and you can see it's a very nice design. And this is green color. You get in other colors: purple, pink, blue, white, black, orange, and it looks pretty classy. Yeah, it looks like an iPod Nano, but I think for someone who is interested in playing music or watching videos while you're traveling or something, I think this is pretty good device. So if you're wondering why would anyone want to use an MP3 or MP4 player in the era of smartphones and expensive Vivo phones, iPhones, Samsung phones, whatever, the simplest answer is some people prefer a dedicated music player in order to play music, because this has many advantages, such as if you are traveling somewhere far and you want to preserve your phone battery for emergency contacts or something like that, emergency situations, so you might want to preserve your battery by playing music in this device. And if you're going somewhere where maybe mobile phones are not allowed, then maybe you can use these ones, because you can't insert a SIM card here, so you won't be able to contact anyone if that is the main point of the rule. Then you can use that. Or maybe if you are traveling somewhere and you don't want to carry something very expensive like an Apple iPod, then you can always use this one. So the battery backup, they have written it's 3 hours, but I have tried it and I think it plays for more than 3 hours. If you're not viewing any videos or photos, you're just listening to the music, it will be on for more than 3 hours. So I think it's a pretty decent quality battery compared to the price. So if anyone is interested in buying this, it's available on Flipkart, Amazon. You just have to write MP4 player and just buy the least costliest device. So when I bought it, it was $7.99 plus the additional delivery charges was ₹50. So it changes over time, so it depends. Hope you like the video, and I'm actually in a hurry. So yesterday was Raksha Bandhan, Rakhi, and one of my cousins has come from Durganagar all the way to downtown Calcutta, and she is right now at my aunt's home, and my mother is also there. So I'm heading to their house now, and let's see how everything goes. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Hopefully I'll come up with something more interesting next time.